Hello everyone, this is Ayushi. Welcome back to my channel, The Art Rhythm, where I share my art knowledge with you. Pattachitra paintings are mostly based on Lord Jagannath and Vishnu. On this auspicious occasion of Rath Yatra, I am going to show you this beautiful painting of Lord Jagannath, Balaram and Subhadra. The theme of this painting is Suna Besha of Jagannath. Keep watching this video till the last to know what is the history of Suna Besha of Jagannath. Jagannath is a Sanskrit word compounded of Jagat meaning universe and Nath meaning master or lord. Thus, Jagannath means lord of the universe. In the Oriya language, Jagannath is linked to other names such as Jaga or Jagabandhu, which means friends of universe. Both names derive from Jagannath. Further, on the basis of the physical appearance of the deity, names like Kaliya, the black-colored lord, but which can also mean the timely one. Jagannath Dev is also known as Daru Devata or Daru Brahman, which means the wooden god. The art form Pattachitra, which arises from the land of Odisha, is closely knit and related to the popularly celebrated and worshipped Lord Jagannath of Puri, an avatar of Lord Krishna. On the birthday of Lord Jagannath, the idols of the Jagannath temple are taken for a ceremonial bath to beat the summer heat. Lakhs of devotees visit Puri to witness this extravagant event. The procession of bathing when the idol of Jagannath, his sister Subhadra and brother Balaram are taken in a procession for the ritualistic bath. The murtis of Jagannath, Balabhadra, Subhadra and Sudarshana Chakra are made of neem. Neem is chosen because the Bhavishya Purana declares it to be the most auspicious wood from which to make Vishnu murtis. The idol of Sri Jagannath, Sri Balabhadra, Ma Subhadra and Sri Sudarshana is repainted every week in the Sri Mandira or Sri Jagannath temple in Puri. It is replaced with a newly carved image every 12 or 19 years approximately, or more precisely according to the lunisolar Hindu calendar when its month of Ashadha occurs twice in the same year. This ritual is known as the Brahma Parivartan or soul transfer. Is the most important ritual of the Navakalevar change of body of the Holy Trinity, Lord Jagannath, Lord Balabhadra and Devi Subhadra. And now let me tell you what is the story behind the swarna besh of Jagannath. After the chariot of the deities returned to the main temple from the Gundicha temple, the deities are attired in gold ornaments and worshipped on the chariots. The celebration is known as Suna Besha. Tradition maintains that this event was first started by King Kapilendra Dev in 1460, when after returning victorious from where he donated gold to Jagannath. The deities are adorned with gold jewelry weighing nearly 208 kg. The Sri Jagannath Temple or Sri Khetra is the main attraction in Puri. It's the heritage and historical place of Puri. During the Puranic ages, the king of Avanti, Indradumno, belonging to the Surya god, had built the temple as ordained in a dream. After his destruction, King Jayati Keshari reconstructed the temple, and the exciting model was constructed done by King Agno Bhimadev. The Sri Jagannath Temple Puri is among the 4 very holy Srinis called Char Dhams, which every Hindu must visit in his or her lifetime. These 4 Srinis are located in 4 corners of India. The Jagannath Puri Temple located at Puri is one of the 4 Dhams, the other 3 being located at Rameswaram, Dwarika and Badrinath. As per the belief, the Char Dham Yatra should be started from here, and then once you proceed in the clockwise direction covering Rameswaram, Dwarika and Badrinath in this order. The Jagannath Puri temple is of the great significance for the Hindus for ages. As per the belief, when the Pandavas start their journey to heaven to meet Yamraj, the Saptarishi advised them to first visit the Char Dham. Jagannath temple is one of them.